So I just better from school, yeah? And that's what daddy chocolate and make sure that the assignment in the many material from okay?
Okay.
So I want to make the assignment. If you get them correct, that's fine. I'll find you to that you okay?
Okay.
Alright. Yeah, I'm going to my assignment, okay?
Okay. There are two equal groups. Are groups of objects that contain the same number of items.
Okay.
There are two equal groups of 3 counters each because it has the 3 dots that represent 3 counters.
Okay.
Multiplication is an operation that gives you the total number when you join equal groups. So I think it's 2 times 3 equals 6 because 2, if you did 2, 4, 6, that would be equal 6, and then 3, 6, and then 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
And then number 3, there are 3 boxes. Each box has 7 toys. Write an addition equation to represent the total number of toys in the boxes. So there's 7 toys in 3 boxes. So 7 plus 7 is 14, plus 7 equals 21.
Okay, so 21 items, 21 toys now inside the boxes, okay.
Write a multiplication equation to represent the total number of toys in the boxes. So 7
for the multiplication, okay.
So because if there, so as
it's an addition.
Yeah, it's like if it was 3 7s, then we have to put the 3 here.
Okay.
Because if there were 3 boxes, we have to put the 3 here because if it was 7, if it was 7 times, like if you did put the right number, it would be wrong.
Okay. Okay,
write an addition equation and a multiplication equation to represent the total number in a bar diagram. So I did 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. That's 5 4s equals 20.
Okay.
But I did 5 times 4 equals 20.
Wow, that's good.
Then it says on the back, number 7, use the picture to describe the equal groups. Write an addition equation and a multiplication equation. So I did 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 because there were 4 boxes and each had 6 counters, and it's equals 24. And since there are 4 of the boxes with 6 each inside, I did 6 times 4 equals 24.
Good job.
Daddy.
It
doesn't have it.
Okay. All right.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. So now, congratulations. You made it off from okay?
Okay.
Good job. You're the best.